Day 45. Review. Day 43 and 44. Theme: choice point and rhythmic return. Message: Day 3 reminded you don't need to be ready. You just need to be willing. Then Day 44 deepened your remembrance. Ask yourself, where am I still waiting to feel ready instead of just stepping in? What would it feel like to live completely by my own rhythm? What pauses have I been skipping, and what wisdom lives inside them? Mini practice. Stand barefoot if possible. Breathe deep. Say aloud, I'm willing. I trust the pause. I walk to my own drumbeat. Let your body sway or move if it wants to. Truth bomb. Stillness is not stagnation. It's sacred synchronization. New code. I pause not out of fear, but power. I'm willing. I am attuned. I'm aligned. I trust the rhythm that remembers me.